I have a question for you. What do you think is the most ludicrous thing you can do to gain money quickly? I'm familiar with a few, such as listening to music, clicking buttons, swiping screens, and filling out surveys. But how would you react if I told you that by simply watching movies on this new platform, you could earn money? Isn't it insane to watch movies, play videos, and read comic books? I mean, it's almost astonishing how easy it is to generate money online these days, and we can do it all from the comfort of our own homes. Imagine being able to make a reasonable living just by performing all of these things. It would be a wonderful treat, and the money you would earn from this way would relieve you of financial stress. You'll be able to take care of yourself, as well as your family. This is fantastic because, over time, this revenue stream will become a passive income stream that will cover your basic needs. You won't have to worry about bills or payments, and you won't have to worry about any other money concerns because the influx of your funds is consistent, as long as you follow this strategy. So have a seat and watch the entire video to learn how to set up this revolutionary new way. Apart from being simple to implement, this strategy is also free and accessible to people from all over the world, so you may use it to earn money no matter where you are. You will not require a large social media following, any specific expertise or technical knowledge, or the ability to sell anything. To learn how to do things the easy way, all you have to do is watch this video. Let's get started with today's video by going to animationarena.com. This will be the primary website that we will use in today's technique, which will allow us to view movies, play games, read comics, and earn money all at the same time. If you go to their homepage, this is what the website will look like. Now here's the twist. Manually finding the URL where we'll make money from this website will be difficult, so here's what we'll do. Instead, write animationarena.com arena writer HTML. Type this in the URL bar to be taken to the website that will make us money in their Get Paid to Write section. Once you've logged in, this is the website you'll see. As you can see, you may earn money by writing video games, comic books, and movie reviews. That's essentially what we'll do with today's method. You may believe that this is easy money, but hold your horses. It is easy money, but it is also somewhat difficult to set up, much like this website. Finding this website manually would have been difficult for us. However, with a little skill and some industry secrets, we were able to get to where we needed to be in order to make money. No professional expertise is required, as you'll see below. All we ask is that you have a genuine interest in the subject and that your grammar is good enough for our readers to understand. If you continue reading this section, you will notice that each review has a minimum word count and that it must be original and not plagiarized from other reviews in order to avoid plagiarism. They'll also show you how much money you'll make from each review, as well as how many times you may review in a month. This will be simple for us because we will be evaluating intriguing items such as movies, games, and comic books. There's a good probability we won't become bored practicing this method because we'll be having fun doing it. So it's that simple to earn a respectable monthly income. This amount would have eased your financial burdens or allowed you to put money aside. Because there is a limit to the number of reviews you may submit, if you're interested in working for Arena and writing for them, you can send them samples of your writing by email. You can send it with the subject line "Writing for Animation Arena," and you must include the following information in your email to them. What is your favorite TV show? What games are you playing right now and what games are you looking forward to playing? What comic books are you reading right now? And what are your top 5 movies for the year? You must respond to these questions and include them in your email because we strongly advise you to attempt this strategy so that you can make a monthly income on autopilot. That is why you must also follow everything you will learn in this video in order to earn online money in the same way that I do. Don't be afraid or hesitant to send this email. Be self-assured enough to demonstrate that you truly want to be a part of their team by submitting evaluations, as I previously suggested. Now to another site that will allow us to earn money by watching videos in the same way. They have a lot more to offer than just films, after all. They also have surveys and other chores including advertising and online surfing, but we'll prioritize watching videos for the sake of this video. Cashkick.com is the next app I'll show you. This website will pay you in hard cash via PayPal or bank transfer. As you can see, earning money on their platform is a 3-step procedure. The first step is to locate and fulfill your mission or duties. Step 2 is to keep an eye on your earnings in your account, and step 3 is to pay out as soon as possible. Now, to see if this website is genuine, scroll down and read the testimonies of these individuals who have been able to earn from their dedication to the platform. To begin earning money with Cashkick, Go to their website if you are using a computer or download the app if you are using a mobile device. Now, on the website, simply fill in the required information and click Continue. After that, simply fill in the required fields with the required information to properly register your account. To sum it up, these are two highly suggested platforms that you should try in order to have an income stream that will support you and your family's everyday necessities, because investing your time in these will almost certainly guarantee you money every month if you do it consistently. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up.